My name is Enrique Nova, and I was a patient here at Steinway, and my experience was pretty good. I had 2 upper bridges done. Dr. Day was absolutely perfect. He walked me through the procedure from the first day I came in, and all the dental staff in this office are pretty remarkable. They made me feel comfortable from the day I started coming in, and I can't wait to keep on coming in here and doing my implants that I'm doing in the bottom. I'm extremely happy with the work. I feel great. My self-esteem is through the roof. I think people shouldn't be scared of going to the dentist, because I was one of those type of people that were scared to go to the dentist as a youth, and as a result of that, I had almost all my teeth missing. So I overcame that fear, and I look back and it's like, there was no reason for me to have a fear of dentists.